Okay guys, welcome again to the Point FS. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you guys the best strategy I was able to use to reverse back my profit account that was already shrinking down below 5,000. So of which you guys, I showed you guys, I made a video on that particular day to be able to show you guys how you can be able to get some of the fundamentals in MetaTrader for concerning your trading activities, of which I was able to show you guys, I was able to educate you guys on the balance, the equity and free margin. So, and also guys, I showed you guys my trading history, of which it was tons of losses in that particular trade, of which this is a particular trade here. This is a particular trade I have here. So I made a lot of losses at that particular spot. So of which you guys saw that particular video. If you haven't seen this particular video, is this video showing on your screen at the end of this video? So go and watch this particular video and see what I'm talking about. So guys, and I'm making this video to tell you and also to give you guys the best strategy I use in balancing my account all the way from 4,000 all the way below $5,500 of which my profit account was around $5,000. So I was able to to reverse back my profit account all the way from that $4,400 and something dollars up to $5,000, up to above $5,000, of which this is the last trade I took, and I was able to make I was able to correspond to my initial capital of my final profit challenge. So guys, I'm going to show you guys the strategy I use. So let's dive into my chart so that I'll be able to show you guys this strategy. So guys, what I was able to do is that I now have to sit down and realize some of the mistakes I did before I took that losses in that trade. Then I was able to observe that I didn't follow the exact movement or the exact direction of my indicator, which is the RSI and the moving average, because I do use this particular two indicators, of which I also make a video for how you can be able to get or add these indicators in your chart. So if you want to do that, it's very easy. Then you click on this F here. Then once you click there, then you will see the main chart, which is if you want to add any indicator into your main chart. While this particular one is the indicator window, which is below or beneath your main chart. Then you click on the indicator window and choose any of your favorite indicator you want to use. So for me, I do use relative index and also moving average, which is this particular indicators here. These two indicators here, the blue one that moves like this, and also then the red one that moves in a very high movement. So, and this is my main chart here. And this is my main chart here. So as you can see, the main chart where all these particular candlesticks is being moved. So, and I was able to mark out my support zone. I also use my my trade lines, of which if you want to insert any trade lines, you click on this option here. You click on this option here for your MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. You see this particular symbol that has a circle, a square, and also a rectangle. Then you click on it. Then you choose any of the trade line you want to use. If you want to add more of the trade lines, you click on this plus sign. You click on this plus sign here. You click on it. Then if you want to delete anyone, you click on delete boss here. So then I was able to use my trade line, which is the horizontal trade line, which is this. Then I was able to use that. I click on it. I was able to use that to mark out the support zones. Where are these support zones? These support zones are these zones beneath the resistance level. These are the support zones. These are the support zones. So I marked out the support zone, and also I also used this my trade line to also mark out the resistance level, which is at the top of here. Of which, if these are basically for scalper, because I'm a scalper trader. So you all mark out the latest support and the latest resistance zones. Then I was able to mark out this particular the support zone and the resistance zone, of which I have already showed you the support zone, and here is the higher resistance zone, and here is the resistance zone as well. Then once I did that, then I was able to also use my trade line as well, which is this particular curved one. Then I was able to use that to mark out whether if the market is an uptrend direction, as you can see it. So I marked out if the market is an uptrend direction, of which it was very obvious to me. Then what I now did is that, and also then from my indicator window, which is here, then I was able to also mark out the support and the resistance level as well, of which I marked out here, which is the resistance level, and here also the support level. So this is the overbuy zone, and this is the overbuy zone, and this is the oversold zone. So what I did now, I now have to observe. Okay, since the market is moving in an uptrend direction, as you can see the movement of the market moving up, down, up, down, up, and then at this particular spot, the market broke out the structure. So once this market broke out the structure, what next it will do is to retrace back and then move up, as you can see it. So that is when I have to when I took more advantage of the market. Then as soon as I saw this particular movement, then what I did is that then I now opened up to 5 to 6 positions, of which you can see here, of which you can see in my trade history. I open all these positions here, as you can see it. These sell positions. I open all these sell positions. Then, and let me show you guys where I did this particular where I took this particular trade. So this is a spot where I took this particular trade. Then I opened all the position at the top of the resistance, the higher high zone of resistance. Then I opened the position here. Then the market now sold. It now came back downwards. Then I was able to cash out. Then I was able to cash out my trade, of which I close up my trade, and I have to, of which I have, and I have to arrive back to my initial capital of 5,000 challenge, of which I'm required like maximum of $100 to complete this particular challenge. So guys, I'm currently now in $5,222, of which I'm going to complete this challenge. I'm making it $5,100. So, and also I will show you guys, and also I'll make more videos for you guys. Please follow my channel. Please subscribe to my channel because I'm going to be dropping more of videos back to back. So guys, thank you guys, and see you in my next video.